Today we will continue our short letter sounds of the alphabet and we'll be doing from R to Z. So let us begin. Okay, just as before, we will use the objects, the name of the objects, to help us to hear the sound of the letter. And so the objects here begins with that letter that we are featuring, we're looking at. In this case, R. So each of these objects begin with the letter R. So what's the sound of R? R. R. Ribs. Radio. Ring. S. The sound of S. Soda. Sun. Smile. T. Sound of T. Table. Tiger. Television. Sound of U. Umbrella. Underwear. Umpire. Sound of V. Vegetable. Vent. Van. Sound of W. Window. Wings. Whale. In this case, students, these objects, the sound is at the end of the letter of the word, not at the beginning. So we're going to listen carefully. So the sound of X is X. So you have X, fox, box. Y. The sound of Y is similar to a letter that we have looked at, which is I, which is I. Do you remember that I sound is I? Yes. So the sound of Y is I, iam, ioyo, iak. The sound of Z, 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 zip, zinc, zebra. Good job. No, now, students, we are going to do a little quiz to find out how many of the sounds that you have learned. And so head up with letter sounds and number from 1 to 9. Let us begin. Are you ready? Number 1, I. I. Ioyo. Number 2, smile. Number 3, ring. Number 4, zebra. Number 5, ox. Number 6, umbrella. Number 7, whale. Number 8, television. Number 9, van. Did you get all of them? All right. Let us check to see how much you have gotten. All right. Number 1, Y. Did you get that? Number 2, S. Number 3, R. Number 4, Z. Number 5, X. Number 6, U. Number 7, W. Number 8, T. Number 9, V. Did you get all of them? Very good. Let's check to see what's your reward. 9 out of 9, well done. 8 out of 9, good work. 7 out of 9, way to go. 6 out of 9, keep going. 5 out of 9, smiley face. 4 out of 8 and below, try again. So students, just go back, rewind the videos, go back if you have made a mistake and you are not sure, go back in the video and listen to the letter sounds. All the best.